Welcome, tech enthusiasts and agricultural innovators, to another exciting episode of Super Tech. Today, we are at the heart of Indiana, the legendary Crossroad Farms, to witness an agricultural marvel of 2024 that has stunned experts and farmers alike. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to be amazed by the insane yields of this year's wheat harvest. This year, Crossroad Farms has not only met expectations, but shattered them, achieving record-breaking yields that will go down in history. But how did they do it? It's a story of perfect synergy between nature and cutting-edge technology. First, let's talk about Mother Nature's role. This spring, Indiana experienced near-perfect weather conditions, consistent rainfall, ideal temperatures, and plenty of sunshine. These factors created a fertile environment for the wheat to thrive. But the real magic happens when these natural gifts are combined with human ingenuity. Now, let's delve into the technological advancements that have propelled this harvest into the stratosphere. At the forefront of this revolution is the mighty combine harvester. This beast of a machine, equipped with the latest in GPS technology and AI-driven efficiency, has transformed the way we harvest crops. Pinpoint accuracy and incredible speed, it reduces waste and maximizes output, ensuring that every grain of wheat collected. Farm Manager. The integration of technology in our farming practices has been a game changer. Our combine harvesters are now equipped with sensors that monitor crop health in real time, allowing us to make data-driven decisions on the go. This precision agriculture approach not only increases yield, but also promotes sustainable farming. And it doesn't stop there. Crossroad Farms employs an advanced irrigation system that ensures every inch of the field gets the exact amount of water needed. This system is controlled remotely, adjusting in real time based on weather conditions and soil moisture levels. Result: optimal growth and minimal water weight. Sustainability is at the core of Crossroad Farms' philosophy. They practice crop rotation to maintain soil health and use organic fertilizers to nourish the land. These practices ensure that the farm remains productive year after year without depleting natural resources. All these efforts culminate in an extraordinary yield. The wheat here is not just abundant, it's of the highest quality, ready to be turned into the bread and pasta that feed millions. This year, Crossroad Farms has set a new benchmark in agricultural excellence. The story of Crossroad Farms is a testament to what can be achieved when we harness the power of technology and work in harmony with nature. It's a glimpse into the future of farming, where innovation meets sustainability, create miracles. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Stay tuned to Super Tech for more stories of technological triumphs that are changing the world, one field at a time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Super Tech. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.